Meaning of grateful.
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 Grateful. Grateful is an adjective that describes a feeling of appreciation or thankfulness towards someone or something. When someone feels grateful, they recognize that something positive has happened in their life and they feel thankful for it. This can be a specific event or situation, or an ongoing feeling of gratitude towards a person or thing. Being grateful is often associated with a sense of happiness or contentment, as it allows individuals to focus on the positive aspects of their lives. Overall, being grateful is a powerful positive emotion that can enhance well-being and personal satisfaction.